Hey guys, happy picture day. Today you're going to be called out from time to time to take your pictures. Don't let that distract you from this incredibly challenging opportunity that you're facing today. All right, here we all are. Let's get started as quickly as we can so that you have enough time to write and get your picture taken. Go to modules, follow me. Go to your OER, Open Education Resources pre-assessment. Down here's the rubric if you really want to see all that jazz. We'll talk more about that a lot this trimester, so I wouldn't worry about it. Click on the Take the Pre-Assessment button. That will take you to our program, The World in 1750. We went over this yesterday, but just in case, I'm giving you the video. Scroll down to the, remember that, you watched that, that was pretty awesome. Getting distracted, okay, so keep going down. Don't get distracted like me. You're going to lesson 1.3, to the very bottom of it. And there you will see score DBQ. Hidden in the bottom in code is stored score DBQ 0, which basically means pre-assessment. Okay, so you click on here, it'll say start. For me it says review assessment because I've already clicked on it. So you click on start and it'll take you to this really awesome program called the Revision Assistant. Your prompt for your pre-assessment and your final exam at the end of this class is this: evaluate or weigh the extent, how much, to which globalization, the world connections, since the Second World War around 1940s has benefited everyone. Evaluate the extent to which globalization since the Second World War has benefited everyone. That's what you're going to be writing about for an hour today. Okay, you have to turn in whatever you have written at the end of an hour. Do your best, and then when you're done, pat yourself on the back. So, here's the instructions. I suggest you read those carefully. Okay, then you look up here. It says number 1. There's a little drop down, or you can click over here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If you want, as a class, you can each take one of these documents. The teacher can go around and number you off, and you can each take a quick look at a document if it only takes you a few minutes, and then explain to the class how that ties into the prompt. Or you can just get started on writing. I recommend you just get started on writing if you think you're going to need the whole hour. So let's go through those documents together really quickly. So document number 1, the world population living in extreme poverty, is a graph. Okay, there's a little view larger button there. Document 2 is some information from Steven Pinker. He's one of those cup half full, real optimistic kind of guys. And here's some information that he's giving about the world with globalization. Okay, and then here's a third document. It's a graph that's really small, so if you click on this view larger button, it gets a little bit larger, and then you can click up in this top corner of your page right here to make it even bigger, like that, smaller, bigger. If you have a Chromebook, you can use your fingers and just go like this on the mouse pad, I think it's called. All right, so document 3. Document 4 is Simon Dalby, a geography and environmental studies expert who has an opposite viewpoint from Steven Pinker, I think you'll find. And there's the long cite down there if you want to use long MLA cites at the bottom of your essay. And then here's a cartoon that you can talk about how it interprets globalization as a good thing or a bad thing. A chart of life expectancies in different areas of the world and how they've changed over time. And finally, an article by Andalusia Noel Salaf about globalization and its impacts on people around the world. and with a little specific focus on Nike. How many of you are wearing Nike shoes today? You'll enjoy this article, whether you're wearing Nike shoes or not. So take a look at those 3 articles and make sure you open up a Google Doc. And instead of leaving it untitled, I suggest you title it DBQ, Document-Based Question 0. That means they're giving you documents to answer the question. What's the question they want you to answer? Who can tell us the prompt? So as you can see, I just copied that. I copied it over into my Google Doc. That way I can get help from Google to spell check. Okay, I'm writing some brilliance here, right? Now I'm done writing my essay. I have my 3 paragraphs here. Here's my introduction. Paragraph 1. Paragraph 2. Paragraph 3. Here's my conclusion. Once I've written my conclusion, I'm going to copy the whole thing, and then I'm going to paste it into the program that's going to help me write. Don't write directly into the program because it'll keep asking you if you want feedback, and you don't want feedback. Okay, paste. Okay, so there's all my information. All right. Then I click down here on this little super cool signal check button, only after I've written my conclusion. I click, this is a 0, this is a 1, 2, 3, and 4 is advanced. It'll give you feedback and let you know about how well your writing is, and also some tips. So leave yourself about 15 minutes at the end of class. Unfortunately, as you can see, I didn't work very hard on that essay, and it knows it. The computer, artificial intelligence, knows it. It says, I need to state a claim about the topic, so I need to go back to the topic and answer the question. I need to include evidence and explain how it supports my claim, and I need to use proper punctuation, so I need to keep writing, right? You guys may not get that message. You might get that message. So if you get that message, try to keep writing. If the hour's up, then you have to turn in what you got. Okay, so if you got like a half hour left and you still haven't written anything yet, I encourage you to just put a sentence for your intro, talk about a document here, talk about a different document here, talk about a third document here, and then write in conclusion, these 3 documents show, and tell me what they show. All right, so I have no doubt you're going to do your personal best, and I look forward to seeing you all on Monday or Tuesday.